Everybody, welcome to Trading Capital's exclusive analysis. In today's video, we're discussing natural gas. Looking at the daily chart here of natural gas, it's pretty clear and evident that natural gas is very likely to continue higher in terms of price. The reason I say that is we've now triggered a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders here. It initially failed. You had a nice back test, created a higher low here. So here's your low, here's your higher low, and you've now actually pushed through the same resistance that you were rejected off of here, and you've made a higher high. And you've actually confirmed the daily chart breakout, breaking above this previous little resistance consolidation zone. So now there's a few little things we need to watch for. I do think that there's one little minor resistance point that nat gas needs to get through now. The next big test is going to be this 253. If we get through 253, I think it's pretty much safe to assume that we're going to be looking for a straight shot run up to this upsloping trend line, okay? So pivot to pivot to pivot. Now, even if we get up here, natural gas is still in a longer term downtrend, which is what we still have to be mindful of, okay? So again, although I'm bullish and long in the short term via some call options and some nat gas equity stocks, we still have to keep in mind that once we approach this upper trend line here, that's going to be a major pivot point because it gives us that potential to either break out of a weekly inverse head and shoulders here. As you can see, we have a nice left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. Gives us that longer term weekly bullish pattern if we break out. Or do we get rejected here, creating yet again another high, lower high, lower high, and then markets want to surge. So we just need to trade this with caution. I do think that we push higher in the near term, but just be aware that once we approach this $293 area, that's a big challenge for the nat gas bulls, and we really want to see some follow through to give us that bigger, larger bullish pattern that is potentially unfolding. So again, a mini inverse head and shoulders is looking likely to press higher, and then we're obviously watching this longer term trend as well. On that note, thank you all for tuning in. Hope this analysis helps. Please give this video a like down below, and we'll see you on the charts a little bit later.